Hi everyone, this is Anjali, mother of Arshil Goyal. My son has been taking creative writing classes from Anupma Dalmia for last 2 years, and I have observed tremendous changes the way he writes and holistic development of his personality. I must say Anupma's teaching style is very appropriate, wherein she engages the kids and try to get best out of them. And just now she has started her new venture Beyond the Box, and I'm sure it will do wonders in field of creative writing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Maneet Gulati and I'm Alankrita's mother. It's been almost 1.5 years since Alankrita has been attending the creative writing classes conducted by Anupama. We couldn't have asked for a better mentor than her. The way she engages with the kids, the relationship she has built with the kids, that is just fabulous. The kids are very comfortable with Anupama, and her teaching style is, it's not a conventional teaching style. She has a very unique style of teaching wherein she encourages the kids to come up with their ideas and then guides them on how to put those ideas on paper. So I'm highly thankful to Anupama for being such a guiding light to the kids. Now her classes have a name, Beyond the Box. I would like to congratulate Anupama and wish her all the very best for the future. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Arnav.
Hey everyone, this is Aarti, Arnav's mother. Arnav is going to Anupma's creative writing classes from last 2 years, and I can see a drastic change in his reading and writing skills and all over personality. I will give all credit to Anupma Dalmia. Her teaching style is unique and appropriate. And just now she started her new venture called Beyond the Box, a great platform for kids to sharpen their writing skills. All the very best, Anupma, for your new venture, and I know it will rock. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Supriya. I'm Shreya's mother. It's been 1.5 years that Shreyas has been mentored by Anupma. I still remember the day when Anupma started this classes. She started as a workshop, and it was such a great hit among the children that they had pushed her to convert it into a regular classes. They really love enjoying to her class because with her they are very open. Her teaching techniques are so different that they enjoy studying around and learning new things. She goes extra mile to showcase her children work. She would talk to various publications. She has done after that a tie up with various young magazines where she makes sure that in case if the child has done good in writing, his or her work get published, which really motivates the children a lot. And I mean, being a mentor, everybody is bothered about the classes, but who goes this extra mile for the students, so that they get motivated, they get inspired to write more and to read more. And I am so glad that she has started with her venture called Beyond the Box, which not only benefit her techniques would not only benefit the students in this particular society, but she would be able to touch many lives around the world.
Hi everyone, this is Adya's mother Payal. Adya has been a student of Anupama's creative writing class since the last 2 years. And I must say that under Anupama's guidance, Adya's writing has blossomed and matured beautifully. The will to write and the way to write has been encouraged and taught by Anupama with immense patience and dedication. And it has indeed been an enriching journey and a great learning experience at that. I thank Anupama for all her efforts she's put in for Adya. Now for Anupama's new venture Beyond the Box, I wish her all the success, and I'm sure it's going to rock like all her other ventures have. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Priya, mother of Kalambika and Pratulya. Both my kids have been going to Anupama's creative writing class since a year now. I've seen them grow as writers in this last 1 year. They don't shy away from using new words or giving depth to the writing. Apart from this, she gives them enough opportunities to showcase their talent, which not only encourages them but also boosts up their confidence. I wish Anupama all the very best for her new novel venture Beyond the Box. Knowing her and the hard work that she puts in, I'm sure she's going to go leaps and bounds. Thank you so much and all the very best.